And school starts today in Forest Grove, but one teacher will not be there. Maraia was arrested over the weekend on prostitution and meth charges. Now, he taught math for more than 20 years in the Forest Grove School District. Well, according to an affidavit, Maraia had been using drugs on a weekly basis while working. Brent Weisberg went to the school district to dig deeper.
At Neil Armstrong Middle School in Forest Grove, teachers today welcome back students for the first time since June. But there's now a dark cloud over the school.
We were shocked and disappointed.
A longtime teacher, Maraia, just got out of jail.
This isn't the kind of news you want to start the school year.
Take a look at these court documents obtained by Coin 6 News. They show Maraia is charged with unlawful possession of meth and patronizing a prostitute.
We do want parents to know we take charges like this very seriously.
According to the DA's office in Multnomah County, the veteran teacher told police that on Sunday morning he had meth inside of his truck. Maraia then admitted that he was going to pay the younger female $80 to have sex with her.
On our end, he's on paid administrative leave indefinitely, and we'll just have to let the courts take it from here.
Court documents show that the math teacher, who pulls in about $50,000 a year, had also planned to smoke meth and pot with the female. Today, we stopped by his home in Washington County, but there was no answer. We also tried to reach him and his attorney by phone, but haven't heard back from either. Most parents at the school didn't know about the allegations. The school district says it is focused on the first day of school. Maraia is now on paid leave.
We do not plan to talk to students about it. Will be up to parents.
Reporting in Forest Grove, I'm Brent Weisberg, Coin 6 News.